How to turn on or off video start with sound on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off video start with sound on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Scroll down until you find media. And here you have videos start with sound. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. Turn on to video start with sound, or turn off to stop video start with sound. For example, I turn off this option and this is it. Now changed have been saved. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.